Google Earnings 2019, how you can earn up to $18 per hour Google Cash. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from arttomarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in today's video I will show you a super simple strategy that will make you up to $18 per hour doing nothing else but Googling. So all you have to do is just log in to your Google account, do some Googling for a number of different companies, and you can make up to $18 per hour. So this is a very cool strategy. I really like it, and it's super newbie friendly. You don't need any skills, any experience whatsoever, okay? But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm doing one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. So if you want to enter the giveaway and win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, okay? And also, please check out the links in the description. The number one link is my top recommendation when it comes to making money online, and you can make hundreds of dollars per day this way. And I'm always updating my top resource, so if you checked it out in the past, please check it out again, because I have a brand new resource for you. So check out if you want to make hundreds of dollars per day, not just $18 per hour. And also the second link will give you one of my courses that I'm actually selling, but you're gonna get it for free. So check it out as well, and check out the rest of the resources, because I'm always sharing a ton of resources when it comes to making money online and working from home, okay? So right now, let's just jump into the content of this video. Google Earnings 2018, how you can earn $18 per hour Google Cash, okay? So let me just share my screen with you today. So I chose top 5 sites that will essentially allow you to earn this kind of money. I talked about a couple of these, but I just wanted to make one video where where you have all the top 5 choices, and you can just pick the best for you, okay? So the first site is Lionbridge. So lionbridge.com, this is a site that connects people that want to work in social media or with search engine optimization with companies. So as you can see, they say our people are our pride. It starts with you. Every language, every industry, one platform, humanity plus all, maximum speed and resonance. Make the power of global brand meaning. Okay, so you know, some of these companies need to do research, but they need actual humans to do it, because you know they can't do it with software. In many cases, only a human eyeball will actually see like what's wrong with a search, or how actually like an ad is performing. So they need actual people, and they're paying up to $18 per hour. So I found this page right here. Just look it up in Google. Lionbridge workers job opportunities. As you can see, they get job opportunities all around you know, the globe. So you don't have to be from United States or the UK or Australia. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So you got Canada, United States, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Mexico, a bunch of European countries, including Portugal, where I am based. Even in Africa, you got some countries: China, Hong Kong, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Australia, and New Zealand. So a ton of different places that you can actually make money from, okay? And obviously these job opportunities will be different for each location. So let's say, you know, you have a social media analyst in one location, maybe you're going to have a web search optimization expert in another location, okay? So go ahead and check it out. They have, you know, a ton of different cool jobs that you can make from home and earn up to $18 per hour just Googling, using your Google search, okay? So this is the number one site, Lionbridge. Number 2, and I actually talked about it in my recent video, but I can't stress this enough, this is an amazing site that will pay you a ton of money, okay? So it's appen.com, APPEN. And you know, you can click here where it says find flexible jobs, and as you can see, I found this page, jobs / lists, and as you can see, if you're interested in becoming an Appen independent agent, you have a number of different countries that you can do it from as well. So Appen, I have a full video about Appen that I'm gonna link somewhere here or in a card or down in the description, but this is another amazing site that will pay you up to $18 per hour. All you have to do is just use your Google account, okay? So you can make some Google Cash. Number 3 is iSoftStone. This is another company that connects people with different companies. So as you can see, let me see here. Let's click on services. You got consulting, business intelligence, mobile computing, expertise design, quality assurance, etc., etc. But what you are looking for is the jobs that I was talking about, like Googling and just finding different problems that come up in searches for people. So as you can see, you have a number of different job listings here. Now this is what I'm seeing from Portugal, so if you're gonna log in and see this for yourself, this will be probably different. But for the for right now, I have Germany, Italy, Australia, Sweden, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Philippines, Spain, Netherlands, Sweden again, Hong Kong. So a ton of different countries, a ton of different languages as well. So German, Spanish, Italian, English, of course, and we have Spanish transcriber, we have data collector, we have computational linguist, online ad evaluator. So this is the kind of jobs that I was talking about when it comes to Google and making Google Cash. Online ad evaluator. All you're gonna have to do is just log into Google and see what kind of an ad is showing up, if it just displays correctly and everything else. So these are the type of jobs. And also, as you can see, search engine evaluator in Hong Kong and in Taiwan. So this is another one. So you'll be just evaluating the searches that pop up in your Google account. So again, you can make some nice Google earnings this way. So that was iSoftStone. Number 4 is karmahub.org. I didn't find any listings that they have currently, but you can get in touch with them and they will email you everything. So just to go to karmahub.org, click on the get in touch now red button, and just email them and they will email you back with a different jobs that they have available at the moment and in different countries around the world. Okay, and the last one is Rater Labs, and this company actually makes part of Appen, but this is like a separate entity. Okay, so Rater Labs, job opportunities, and as you can see, you can also create, select different countries, different languages. So for now, we got United States, Canada, Brazil, Egypt, Germany, Russia, Portugal, Japan, France. You can do this from all around the world. And I actually looked up Rater Labs, and as you can see, how much are they paying? They are paying between $13.50 and $18 per hour. And again, this is for checking search engine results, for online ad evaluators, just as we saw. Where was it? So we got search engine evaluator, online ad evaluator, data collector, all these types of jobs. You will find all of these jobs on all 5 of these sites. Just check out one of them or all 5 of them, totally up to you. But you can make $13.50 to $18 per hour. Very, very cool. Doesn't require any skill, doesn't require any experience, and you can do this from anywhere around the world, and you don't even need to speak English in some cases. So very, very cool. Okay, guys, so this is my top 5 when it comes to Google earnings, making money from Google Cash, whatever you want to call it. And right now, let me just remind you again that if you're going to check out the links in the description of this video, the first link will take you to a resource that will make you hundreds of dollars per day. So not $18 per hour, hundreds of dollars. And also grab my free course on how to make money with Facebook up to $200 a day. That's the number 2 link. And also check out the rest of the links, because I'm always sharing a ton of resources when it comes to making money online and working from home. And right now, let's just see who won the $10 from my previous giveaway. Okay, so my previous video is this one, cash apps that pay you $10 per hour. So I'm gonna link to this video as well. You can check it out. This is a very cool way that you can actually make $10 per hour with your smartphone. So another very cool way that you can make some money. So let's just copy the URL. We're gonna go to YouTube random comment picker, and we will paste it right here, filter out the duplicates. We got 45 comments, and we will pick a random winner right now. Okay, we got Andrea De Feliz. She only left her PayPal email and she says thank you, so no question. Elise, I'm gonna send you $10 right now. Okay, so as you can see, I just sent $10 to Elise. Again, congratulations. If you want to win $10 just like Elise just did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notifications, and also leave a comment with your PayPal email. Very important, so I know actually where to send the money to. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section as well. I'm gonna try to answer as many of these as I can, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, see ya.